Today, we're diving into an innovative treatment for fibromyalgia at RegeneMX, using expanded Wharton's jelly mesenchymal stem cells. Fibromyalgia is a complex and chronic pain disorder characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain, fatigue, and other symptoms. At RegeneMX, we offer an innovative treatment approach using expanded Wharton's jelly mesenchymal stem cells to address fibromyalgia and provide relief at a cellular level. Our dedicated medical team aims to harness the anti-inflammatory properties of stem cells to improve the symptoms and overall quality of life for patients living with fibromyalgia. Wharton's jelly, found in the umbilical cord, is an abundant source of potent mesenchymal stem cells. These expanded stem cells possess remarkable anti-inflammatory effects that can be beneficial in managing fibromyalgia. By modulating the immune response and reducing inflammation, therapy targets the underlying processes that contribute to the chronic pain and discomfort experienced by fibromyalgia patients. When administered, these stem cells can home in on areas of inflammation and release bioactive molecules that regulate immune cells and cytokines. By doing so, they effectively dampen the inflammatory cascade that contributes to the widespread pain experienced in fibromyalgia. In addition to their anti-inflammatory effects, WJ-MSCs also promote tissue repair and regeneration. Fibromyalgia may involve tissue damage and degeneration, which can exacerbate pain and discomfort. The release of growth factors and other regenerative factors by stem cells can stimulate the repair and healing of damaged tissues, potentially leading to pain reduction and improved overall tissue function. By targeting inflammation and promoting tissue repair at a cellular level, WJ-MSC therapy offers the potential for significant pain relief and improved quality of life for patients with fibromyalgia. The reduction in inflammation and enhanced tissue healing may lead to increased mobility, reduced reliance on pain medications, and an overall improvement in physical and emotional well-being. At RegeneMX, our treatment approach is tailored to each patient's specific needs. The treatment plan is customized to optimize potential benefits for individual patients, ensuring the most effective and personalized care. Stem cells therapy represents an innovative and safe option for managing fibromyalgia. Compared to traditional approaches, which often involve a combination of medications with potential side effects, WJ-MSC therapy offers a potentially safer and more targeted solution. At RegeneMX, we are committed to providing cutting-edge treatments for fibromyalgia, and our use of expanded Wharton's jelly mesenchymal stem cells holds great promise in regenerative medicine. Our experienced medical team is dedicated to delivering personalized and innovative care to bring hope and healing to those coping with the challenges of fibromyalgia. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on advanced medical treatments and regenerative medicine.